Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
This is Will. This is my homeboy Kahlil. This is episode 19 of Dropping Off Jackets. And we are here coming live from Roswell, Georgia, Alpharetta, Georgia. And we have a good friend of ours. We have a great human being amongst us. If it wasn't for her, it would be no me. I told her earlier this afternoon when I called her, I appreciate her, I love her. She had no idea that we even thought of her. But let me tell you something. Back in 1990 something, this woman had a round table of geniuses. It was a thing. She turned her house into a think tank, Will.
Before think tank even started.
Bro, behind one table, around one table, it was a Shaka Zulu, Brian Barber, Big Rude, Kim Hutchens, Chris Bryan, Ludacris, Chris Lover, Velvet Jones, Bridges, Poon Dicular, BJ, William Ingram, Poon Daddy, and one Kahlil Gibran, who had no idea that he would become the video robot. But I'm gonna tell you something. It happened, and it's history now.
You forgot some more stuff.
No, I'm not gonna tell him everything. We gotta save something for the movie, for the book. All right, but I'm just here to say we are thankful. And what do, Will? We give people what?
They flowers.
While they still living.
And we let them know the world who you are, what you do.
Sometimes,
where you been.
Sometimes they don't know. We gotta remind them.
They never know. Even you in the Formula race car market.
Listen, man. Hey, I'm not gonna say that she wasn't Titty Boy 2 Chainz first publicist or Ludacris first publicist or assistants or whatever you want to use them words. The person that does everything for you.
Hold say it again. The first name?
Bro.
Titty Boy.
Titty Boy 2 Chainz.
There you go.
That's my brother. And I'm gonna tell you something. When we was all sitting around just eating one pizza, I'm gonna tell you like for real. She opened up when we couldn't meet at the radio station no more. Cool. She opened up her home to us, and we did it every Saturday. And that's how I know the receipts is real because I remember because it was inside her house. Can't nobody say that didn't happen.
Can you tell them why we got kicked out of the radio station?
Because it was probably a conflict of interest because she worked for the radio station.
And
so it was using too much of the radio station to be at the radio station for radio station business. Yo, get this up out of here. Y'all gonna be some millionaires somewhere else. Yo, once again, I like to thank Kim Hutchens. This is powered by who?
Levi's.
Powered by who?
Levi's.
We're gonna set this up right. Will, tell them why we're here.
What today, Kim, we thought about you so much.
No. Wait. We gonna let her talk. We gonna let her, cause hey.
You have all these networks going on. And I want you to smile with them nice dimples and beautiful teeth you got.
Ohio player.
And she's a big player behind the scenes. She do not like being in front of the camera.
Exactly. That's why she in front of the camera. That's why we put her in front of the camera.
She is so sharp because we didn't tell her so. Go ahead, let me bow out.
Wow.
Right. Who are you? Where you come from? How you get to Atlanta? Just tell them a little bit. That's all. Who are you?
Okay, so I am Kim Hutchens. I'm from Toledo, Ohio. I consider myself a Georgia, a peach, but I'm also a Buckeye. So, So right now I do real estate. My company is called Fab Life Real Estate. I help people buy and sell real estate, build wealth. I also still work with Luda and the foundation, and also started a new podcast called Giving Exchange. That'll be highlighting the impact of Black-led, Black-founded nonprofits around the country. And then some other projects that I'll be working on soon, including a few documentaries. So.
Are you open to the public, or can people contact you?
Oh yeah.
Are you on IG? You on Facebook? You on?
Support my brother James and Spray Ground Backpack.
Oh! Shout out to James Spray Band. We got you, James. Shout out to Varsity. Shout out. Hey,
Proud to be here in Atlanta, July 16th through August 2nd with their next pop up. So stop by Peter Street. Get you a nice little bear bag like you got. I love Kahlil.
Hey.
He's a part of my origin story.
Well, thank you. But how do people find you? Are you on IG? You on Facebook?
I'm on IG, fab.liferealestate on IG and or Facebook.
Okay.
And my I am Kim Hutchens IG is private, so you have to hit me up to get it there.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, Will.
So for now, you know what I'm saying? This the most part that.
It's the fun part. I like.
It's fun part.
This the fun part, baby. Hey, why are we here?
And hold on.
Why are you here? What's this about? I don't understand.
Y'all know Kim can cook too, so she got a whole plate of food over here just looking at that shrimp.
Go grab a shrimp and show them.
No.
They don't believe you. Go grab a shrimp. That's what you see, baby.
Why are you asking?
Yeah. So today I came to make Kim fly. So I'm gonna make her up, make her over, do her hair, do her toenails for her, and everything. Right, Kim?
Not today.
But today, I want to give you your very own designer jacket.
Oh.
So you know, everybody don't get these, but we thought about you. Hold on, look at the front, them got
I
the way.
see it. Foundation. Oh, it's got my name on it.
They got the Formula 1 cars on the back, baby.
That's
With
right.
Modney?
Come on, baby. See?
Y'all need to stop playing.
Or what?
Stop.
Once again, on this episode 19 of Dropping Off Jackets, that's Will.
Hold on, I'm not done. This is my homeboy Kahlil. I'm not done. She gotta take it off. Take it. There you go.
Shout out to Tefusky Island, originally owned by Black folks.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, but you ain't got to do it.
As always, with Levi's, pop that collar, Will. Let me tell you about a perfect
I
fit.
got to get big and all that.
When you go with Levi's, trust me, it's always a perfect fit. It's fitting. Bam!
Hey,
Pop that collar, baby.
What,
Let them know.
her sister done went to dinner and got all teeth snacked out. She trying to slide up in the video too.
No. Hell no. Hey man, listen. I can't appreciate Kim so much. I can't appreciate you guys. So this is why I connected you two. We are the active liaisons. That's Will.
This is my homeboy, aka Kahlil.
This is episode 19 of Dropping Off Jackets.
Out of here.
If you need Kim, holler at her. She gave you her info. Hey, shout out to Chris Lover. We saw you, brother. When you get that Hollywood star, I told you back in 1998 that you would get one. Because, hey, I'm gonna tell a little short story, Will. Hold on. Let me tell you something. Back in 1998, I was doing my first movie called Ooh Ooh. It was an Americanized karate flick. And I had an audition at the Yin Yang. I called Poon. I said, yo, I need some characters. I need some actors. I got on the phone and I told him. I didn't beg. I told him, this has to happen for me. Both these brothers, they made it happen. And not only did I not finish the movie, right? I kept going because I didn't finish the movie. But the one thing that I remember about Chris is that he wanted to come in and read sides. There was already a part written for him and Poon, but he wanted to come in and read his side. He wanted to audition. He wanted to do it. He was going to do it back then. So everything that I'm seeing right now, I have so much pride for all these brothers, for all of them, for everybody, for you, and for you, Hottie. But listen, for real, Chris, Velvet Jones, brother, you know I love you. You know I'm proud of you. And Miss Roberta Shields came through the studio and she got the stuff for the VH1. And when she needed to digitize it, we didn't have a scanner. I sent her over to Mahogany's house, and then she came back and said, Kahlil, I like that girl for you. You need to stop playing her. I was like, Miss Shields. No, she was talking to me like my mama. For real. She was like, I like her for you. It's just like, Miss Shields, you know I got a couple of them. She's like, boy! Like she started snapping on me. Like she was talking to me. Like I'm serious. And she made me like really sit when she left. I was really thinking about my life. She was like, you know what, man? Damn, I am getting pretty old. I can't just keep doing what I'm doing. And Mahogany like gave me a chance. She stuck by me. We done lived in many great places. We still surviving. We fight every day like dogs, but we love every day like we do. So you cannot defeat love. I'm always gonna thank you, Miss Roberta Shields. I'm always gonna thank you because you are the reason for all this. And Kim started it. So the root, dude, I'm trying to tell you, this is a real thing. We are really family. We are really connected. The universe is having our way with us. But this is Dropping Off Jackets. Episode 19, Kim Hutchens.
King.
You know how we do about this time. We'll sign them off, baby.
Hey, we up out of this thing.
Episode 19. Episode 19, Kim Hutchens. You got anything to say? Close them out.
Hey, I'm proud of y'all. Keep doing what you do. Thank you for the surprise.
Surprise! Levi's!
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
We'll see you guys later. We love you. Thank you. How we looking? Beautiful?
Guys, yeah. Y'all right. Y'all get around like that's the first time I ever saw her.
No, it didn't.
She get her props, but y'all went all the way back with the props. Y'all went all the way back with the props.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation